Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm one of the horticulturalists here at the Greenery Garden and Home. Today I'd like to talk about gardenias, one of the favourite plants in the garden. Gardenias come in a whole range of varieties nowadays, and there are compact varieties for people that don't have a lot of space. Various sizes in the flowers, but they are all fragrant. A couple of new releases which are now in store. This variety is called White Goddess, and it grows up to about 1 metre high, but has that very large white perfume flower and a nice foliage. And all gardenias like to be kept in a warm, sheltered site, preferably out of really hot western sun. Probably facing east is the best spot for a gardenia in the garden. They will grow successfully in pots in a similar sort of position as well. Perfume is fantastic. Who doesn't like the perfume of a gardenia? They're spectacular even when they're not flowering, with the dark green glossy leaves, and providing you give them a reasonable amount of fertiliser through the growing season, you keep them moist in a well-drained soil, then they're very happy plants. This is Gardenia Florida. It's an old variety, but a favourite still. It's a more compact variety of gardenia. Masses of smaller flowers, strongly perfumed, compact foliage, makes a very good low hedge in the garden if you'd like to grow them as a hedging plant. Dark green glossy leaf, as with all gardenias, and a nice tight bushy habit. That's Gardenia Florida. This is Gardenia Jupiter, another new variety. It gets its name from its large white flower, probably one of the largest flowering out of all the gardenias. Very dark green glossy leaf, elongated leaf, and masses of foliage and lots of flowers. Once they start flowering, you'll get flowers right through the warmer months of the year. This particular variety, Jupiter, grows to about 1.5 metres high. So given the right conditions, regular feeding, moist, well-drained soil, and a protected position in the garden, they'll grow very well indeed. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this talk on gardenias. If you'd like some more information, feel free to come down at any time to the Greenery Garden and Home. Any of our expert staff will be happy to help you. We're open 6.5 days a week, and we look forward to seeing you then.